Hi, this is Trent with Trentco Construction. I am bidding out here in Oakcrest, up in Whitney Ranch, and we're, as you see, we're starting our first pour right here behind us at our customer's home in Oakcrest. That's going to be his basketball court, and then we're pouring the front driveway sections and a walkway addition. Coming soon, we're going to finish. I'll take you around the corner in my second video. We have a raised area and a main concrete area. So we've got about 4.5 trucks out here, and everything's going smooth. It's a perfect day, about 70 degrees. So this is what we do at Trentco Construction. We've got this whole project, and it's going to be really, really nice. So you guys stay tuned and keep, Tracy and I will give you some update videos on the progress of this project. It's going to be a very nice showpiece landscape. Thanks, and have a great day here from Trentco Construction.